Welcome to Learning Life Content. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and motivates us to bring you more fascinating and enriching stories. The world of parrots is a dazzling spectacle of life. These remarkable birds paint the canopies of our planet with an astonishing array of colours. From the deepest blues of the hyacinth macaw to the brilliant scarlets and emerald greens, their plumage is truly a wonder of nature. There are nearly 400 different species of parrot, each unique, each a testament to evolution's artistry. They inhabit a vast range of environments, from the humid rainforests of the Amazon to the arid outback of Australia. Some are tiny, like the diminutive pygmy parrots of New Guinea, barely larger than a human thumb. Others, like the majestic macaws, can span over a metre from beak to tail. Parrots are not just beautiful, they are also incredibly diverse in their forms and behaviours. Consider the Kea of New Zealand, an olive-green parrot known for its inquisitive and often mischievous nature. Across the globe, in Africa, the grey parrot is renowned for its striking intelligence and ability to mimic human speech with uncanny accuracy. Their playful antics, problem-solving skills and capacity for learning continue to astound researchers and bird enthusiasts alike. Did you know that some parrots, like the Goffin's cockatoo, have been observed using tools to solve complex problems? Parrots are highly social creatures, often forming strong bonds with their flockmates and engaging in social grooming to strengthen these relationships. Their nesting habits are equally fascinating, with some species, like the monk parakeet, building large communal nests that house multiple families. Parrots have a varied diet, ranging from fruits and nuts to seeds and even small insects, showcasing their adaptability and resourcefulness. Conservation efforts around the world are crucial in protecting these magnificent birds, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at their beauty and intelligence. World Parrot Day, celebrated each year on the 31st of May, serves as a vital call to action. It is a day dedicated to celebrating these extraordinary birds and raising awareness about the severe threats they face. The day was initiated by the World Parrot Trust in 2004, aiming to bring the plight of wild and captive parrots to the forefront of public consciousness. It encourages us to pause and reflect on the beauty and intelligence of these creatures. The primary goal of World Parrot Day is to highlight the conservation status of parrots. Many species are endangered, some critically so. For instance, the Spix's macaw, once thought extinct in the wild, has become a symbol of hope through dedicated conservation efforts. The day aims to educate the public about why these birds are struggling. Did you know that parrots are among the most intelligent bird species, capable of mimicking human speech and solving complex problems? It sheds light on issues like habitat loss, the illegal wildlife trade and climate change. These factors have led to a dramatic decline in parrot populations worldwide. Events are organised globally, from educational talks in schools and zoos to online campaigns sharing information and fundraising for conservation projects. It is a collective effort, bringing together scientists, conservationists and the general public with a shared purpose. And fun fact, parrots have zygodactyl feet, meaning they have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward, which helps them grasp and manipulate objects with great dexterity. Ultimately, World Parrot Day is a beacon of hope. By working together, spreading knowledge and supporting conservation initiatives, we can make a tangible difference to the future of parrots. The intelligence of parrots is truly remarkable, often compared to that of primates or young human children. For decades, scientists have been fascinated by their cognitive abilities, which extend far beyond simple mimicry. Parrots demonstrate impressive problem-solving skills, navigating complex puzzles to obtain food rewards. They can understand concepts like cause and effect, and some species have even shown the ability to use tools. One of the most famous examples of Parrot Intelligence is Alex, an African Grey Parrot, studied by Dr. Irene Pepperberg. Alex learned to identify more than 100 objects, actions and colours. He could understand concepts of same and different, and even grasp the concept of zero. His abilities challenged the long-held notion that birds were capable of only basic cognitive processes. Beyond laboratory settings, wild parrots exhibit their intelligence in countless ways. They have complex foraging strategies, remembering the locations of fruiting trees and adapting their techniques to access different types of food. Understanding parrot intelligence has profound implications for their conservation and welfare. Parrots are also known for their exceptional vocal learning abilities, mimicking not just human speech but also sounds from their environment. Their social intelligence is equally impressive, as they form complex social bonds and communicate effectively within their flocks. Parrots can learn through observation, picking up behaviors by watching others. Their playful nature and curiosity drive them to explore and interact with their surroundings in innovative ways. This adaptability and ingenuity are key to their survival in diverse habitats around the world. Parrots are, by their very nature, highly social creatures. The vast majority of species live in flocks, which can range in size from small family groups to enormous, noisy congregations. These flocks are complex societies with established hierarchies and intricate social bonds. Each parrot knows its place within the group, and they often engage in cooperative behaviors. Many parrot species form strong monogamous pair bonds that can last a lifetime. These bonds are reinforced through mutual grooming and synchronized activities. Mated pairs often engage in affectionate behaviors such as allopreening, where they carefully groom each other's feathers. This not only strengthens their bond, but also helps in maintaining feather health. Communication is key to the intricate social lives of parrots. They use a variety of calls to convey different messages, from alerting others to danger to coordinating group movements. While they are famous for mimicking human speech, their natural vocalizations are incredibly diverse and serve many purposes. Some calls are used to maintain contact with flock members, while others are specific to mating rituals. Beyond vocal calls, parrots also communicate through body language, using feather displays, head movements and wing gestures. These visual signals can indicate a range of emotions and intentions, from aggression to courtship. Understanding their profound need for social connection is crucial for both their conservation in the wild and ensuring their welfare in captivity. In sanctuaries, providing opportunities for social interaction is essential for their mental and emotional well-being. Parrots possess a remarkable suite of physical adaptations that have allowed them to thrive in diverse environments across the globe. Perhaps their most iconic feature is their strong, curved beak. This powerful tool is incredibly versatile. It not only helps them crack open tough nuts and seeds, but also aids in climbing and manipulating objects. Parrots use their beaks for climbing, manipulating objects with surprising dexterity, and cracking open tough nuts and seeds. Some species can even use their beaks to peel fruits and strip bark from trees. Another distinctive feature is their zygodactyl feet, with 2 toes pointing forward and 2 toes pointing backward. This arrangement provides an exceptionally strong grip, allowing them to cling securely to branches and manipulate food items. These feet are so dexterous that parrots can use them to hold and examine objects, much like hands. The vibrant plumage of parrots serves crucial functions for their survival. The bright colours can play a role in species recognition, courtship displays and camouflage. In some species, the colours can even indicate the health and vitality of an individual. Some parrots have feathers that contain psittacofulvins, pigments unique to their order, which produce the brilliant reds, oranges and yellows. These pigments are not found in any other bird group. Finally, their powers of flight are essential for most parrot species. Their strong chest muscles and unique wing structure allow for agile and sustained flight. These unique adaptations, honed over millions of years, make parrots true architects of the air and masters of their domains. Their ability to adapt to various environments is a testament to their evolutionary success. One of the most significant threats facing parrot populations worldwide is the relentless destruction of their natural habitats. Forests, woodlands and savannas, the very places these birds call home, are disappearing at an alarming rate. Deforestation, driven by logging for timber, conversion of land for agriculture, and the expansion of human settlements, is shrinking the available living space for countless parrot species. As their homes vanish, so too do their sources of food, nesting sites, and the complex ecosystems upon which they depend for survival. The scale of habitat loss is staggering in many regions. In the last 50 years, over 17% of the Amazon rainforest has been lost, an area roughly the size of Texas. The Amazon rainforest, a biodiversity hotspot and home to a vast number of parrot species, continues to face immense pressure. This region alone is home to over 1,300 bird species, many of which are parrots. The shadows over their homes are growing longer. In some areas, deforestation rates have increased by 150% in the past decade, casting a dark future for these vibrant birds. Beyond the loss of their homes, parrots face another grave danger: the illegal wildlife trade. Their beauty, intelligence, and ability to mimic human speech have made them highly sought after as pets. This demand fuels a cruel and often devastating trade that plunders wild populations. Poachers capture parrots from their natural habitats using various methods, such as trapping them with nets or even felling nesting trees to access chicks. The journey for a captured parrot is fraught with suffering. Birds are often crammed into small, inadequate containers, sometimes with their beaks and feet taped, to be smuggled across borders. The cost of a caged bird taken from the wild is far greater than its price tag. It is a cost paid by nature itself. Conservation efforts are crucial to rehabilitate and reintroduce these magnificent birds back into their natural habitats. Did you know that over 60% of trafficked parrots die before they even reach their destination? The illegal pet trade not only threatens individual birds but also entire species, pushing some to the brink of extinction. Despite the daunting challenges, the story of parrot conservation is not without its triumphs. Dedicated organizations and passionate individuals around the world are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent birds, and their efforts are yielding positive results. For instance, the echo parakeet of Mauritius was once one of the world's rarest parrots, with fewer than 20 individuals remaining. Intensive conservation efforts, including captive breeding, habitat restoration, and supplementary feeding, have seen its numbers rise significantly. Today, there are over 800 echo parakeets thriving in the wild. Numerous organizations are at the forefront of parrot conservation. The World Parrot Trust, for example, initiates and supports projects globally, focusing on saving threatened species, protecting habitats, and combating the illegal wildlife trade. They have successfully reintroduced the blue-throated macaw to parts of Bolivia. They work with local communities, governments and researchers to implement effective conservation strategies. In Brazil, the Spix's macaw, once extinct in the wild, is being reintroduced through collaborative efforts. Research plays a critical part in informing conservation actions. Scientists study parrot behavior, ecology and genetics to better understand their needs and the threats they face. Genetic studies have revealed crucial information about population diversity and health. These collaborative efforts are truly wings of change, helping to secure a brighter future for these birds. The success stories of species like the kakapo and the Puerto Rican parrot inspire hope and demonstrate the power of dedicated conservation work. The future of the world's parrots rests heavily upon our shoulders. These intelligent, vibrant and socially complex birds enrich our planet in countless ways, from their ecological roles as seed dispersers to the sheer joy and wonder they inspire in us. Protecting them is not just about saving individual species, it is about preserving the intricate web of life of which they are a vital part. The threats they face, habitat loss, the illegal trade, climate change, are largely of human making, and so too must be the solutions. We have a moral obligation to act, to become guardians of these magnificent creatures of the sky. Supporting reputable conservation organizations through donations or volunteering is a direct way to help fund crucial fieldwork and advocacy. Making informed choices as consumers, such as avoiding products linked to deforestation, can reduce pressure on parrot habitats. Spreading awareness among friends and family about the plight of parrots can also make a significant difference. By addressing the root causes of their decline, by protecting and restoring their habitats, by combating illegal trade, and by fostering a global community dedicated to their survival, we can ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at the sight of a macaw soaring over the rainforest. Their future is intertwined with our own. In protecting them, we protect the health and beauty of our shared planet, ensuring our skies remain vibrant and alive. Did you know that some parrot species can mimic human speech and sounds, showcasing their incredible intelligence? These abilities highlight the importance of preserving their natural habitats where they can thrive and continue to astonish us. Conservation efforts also include scientific research to better understand parrot behavior and ecology, which is crucial for developing effective conservation strategies. Interestingly, some parrot species have adapted to urban environments, finding new ways to survive amidst human development. This adaptability underscores their resilience and the need for urban conservation initiatives. Educational programs and interactive exhibits about parrots can inspire the next generation to become passionate advocates for wildlife conservation. Community involvement in conservation projects, such as planting trees and creating parrot-friendly spaces, can have a profound impact on local parrot populations and biodiversity. Together, we can create a future where parrots and humans coexist harmoniously, ensuring that these magnificent birds continue to grace our skies for generations to come. Thank you for watching Learning Life content. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and motivates us to bring you more fascinating and enriching stories.